Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you all are well. In today's video, we will learn some tips and tricks for PTE reading fill in the blanks. Some people also call this module boring. Let's make it interesting. First of all, whenever you sit to practice this module, do not think that it is boring. You have to focus on solving the questions and not think that this is boring. I will do it later. If not now, then when? Now let's start. Most of the students try and do the reading with the help of grammar, but grammar does not help us every time. For example, there came a paragraph in which in the first blank you will know with the help of grammar whether the form will be ed or ing or something else. And if there is only one ed or ing form in the options, then you will easily get the answer. But if there are 4 options of the same form and you do not know their meaning, then you will not be able to find the right answer. And here the students who rely on grammar for reading. If you practice, they will get confused or will give wrong answer or will give any one of them that if it is correct then it is fine, otherwise it is definitely wrong. So you don't have to do this. You should not rely only on grammar and reading because students who are achieving good band scores do not do so on the basis of grammar alone. What you need to pay most attention to: vocab, understanding, collocations. Vocab means you should know the meaning of the written letter in whatever your mother tongue is. Understanding, in understanding you have to see that the passage, what it's trying to tell you, what it talks about. Next is collocation. Collocation is called some words which do not have much effect with any other word means 2 such words which come with each other like climate change, global warming, greenhouse effect, etc. And how will it help us in the exam? See, for example, you have been given climate in reading and you have been given change in options. Then you will choose the change option without thinking much. Similarly, if you see that there is a blank in front of global and there is warming in the options, then you will select the warming option without thinking much. To this. Now it comes to how we can improve them. Vocab. To improve vocab, whenever you practice the passage and you come across some words whose meaning you do not know, then write them down on your copy. Later, after completing the passage, translate all the words you have written. Do it in your own language. This will help you know their meaning and your vocab will improve. Understanding. To improve understanding, start reading English stories, novels, and try to understand what the story is saying. This will help you in improving your understanding. If you focus on these 3 things, then within a few days there will be a lot of improvement in your reading, and you will be able to easily solve whatever blanks you come across in the exam. So instead of memorizing the blanks, try to understand them, and if you do this, then you will not find reading boring at all. So these were some things by which you can improve your reading. If you have any question, then you can ask in the comment. If you like the video, then please like and share and subscribe the channel for upcoming videos.